I decided in high school that I wanted to do something that was helpful to people. I looked into dentistry. I started shadowing the dentist that I was going to at the time. What I found was it's really about being with people. Medical Teams International has been doing dental van programs up and down I-5 corridor in Washington, Oregon for many years. I had volunteered on the van before. They enjoyed having me on the van, and I said, I'm from Puyallup. I would like to have a resource in my area, East Pierce County, to be able to refer patients who couldn't afford treatment. At that time, this was 10 years ago, there weren't any clinics in East Pierce County that were accepting Medicaid patients. Those kids were basically having to be sent to Tacoma. One of the school administrators said asking a child who had that need to go to Tacoma was like asking them to go to the moon. And so I started working with medical teams to figure out what does it take to create a site partner. We partnered with several people. One was the Kiwanis Club, and the school nurses were very willing to take extra time to do the paperwork. It was Halloween of 2003. We parked at Fir Grove. The kids that came into that van that day, I couldn't believe I was still in the South Hill of Puyallup. Being in a private dental practice, we see the kids of the families who can afford to go to a dentist. Those people who cannot, some of them are really hurting. Now we're at 3 different schools and we're 4 or 5 visits at each school. Before we had started the program, I thought, if we can get this going in Puyallup and we can get these kids healthier, and we'll go to Sumner and Ording and Bonnie Lake, and we're still working on Puyallup. It's a group of people who care about people on a mission to help every patient feel better about themselves when they leave the office as compared to when they come in. So we start out by treating them like they want to be treated.